loves, and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got one from Indomie of Indonesia. Came by way of Ferengi of Australia. Thank you very much. This is Indomie mie instan Rasa mie Kocok Bandung. Yeah, so Kocok means shake. So yeah, these are like shaken noodle. I don't know what the whole deal is with it, but 400 mils of water, 3 minutes. Yeah, cool. And it's a soupy one. And there will be egg involved. Okay, we'll give this sucker a try. So, being what it is, and requiring boiling. Yep. It's going to be visibly boiled. We got some sachets, noodle block, and boom. So the sun keeps coming and going, which makes it really hard to do my, I'd rather just have the window open and be a cloudy day and not such a bright, sunny kind of thing. But it keeps coming and going so much that it's really hard to, like, you know. Do it that way. I know every once in a while there's somebody that comes out with like this person has tried more Indomie varieties than you can shake a stick at and all this stuff. I've tried quite a few, especially with the help of Ferengi sending me so many in the last year or so. I don't know. I'm gonna have to like go through all my reviews and figure out how many different varieties of Indomie I've had, because it's getting up there. I would guess I've tried at least 50. Maybe more, maybe less. But it seems like quite a few. I've even had the ones for kids, the My Noodles. Oh, there was a one that was salmon. One that was pizza. Yeah, there's a lot of... They've come out with quite a few interesting flavors to savor. Yeah, this is like shaking beef. Shake that beef. Shake hands with beef. Hmm. Oh, it's getting close. Ooh, doo, 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 doo. Yeah, regular day, doing laundry, doing review junk. That sun seems to almost all gone away. It's almost like it's hazy out right now. But what I've got is I've got a laminated poster that I've got like chip clipped to the blinds. And when I have it up there like that, it works out great. And then I still got enough light to get good shots. But it's not as good as just straight up natural light. It's like way too diffused. But as soon as the lighting is perfect and I pull up the blinds and take that off, the sun comes out. It's one of those kind of days. So it's like I'm not even gonna I've done that. I've done that before. Yes, I have. Okay. So let's throw all this stuff in here. Where'd my scissors go? God, there's like all these people that I used to remember would frequent the group. Or not the group, but the YouTube. And then they kind of left. And I hope they're doing okay. A couple called, I think they were the Butlers. They were cool. There's also a nice lady who used to send messages about the noodles. People just kind of come and go. Looks like vegetable. And this is a seasoned oil going in next. This might be a good one. They do beef right in Indonesia. That I will say. Rendang. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. So this noodle is a little bit thick. Oh, this smells very marrowy. Like an approximation of marrow. Yeah, hopefully that hasn't been too loud. It's kind of funny. I was using a different speaker for doing the show. Now I just use the same speaker that I walk around with for the show and for walking around with. The noodle's good. What do we have here? Kind of an odd. Well, it's definitely not beef, but I'm a little confused on what that tastes like to me. It doesn't really like go, hey, that's real beefy. It would be, I mean, if you wanted it beefy, you could add some beef to it. I would say it's more, what do you call it? Not beef, but this tripey. You know, tripe. Kind of tripey. With egg, with egg, with egg. Ooh, 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 ooh. There you go. Float. Not bad. I'm not going to use egg in the next one. The egg has a special guest. Or, no, the next one has a special guest. So it will... These eggs will go back to where they came from. Who's the special guest instead of an egg on tomorrow's show? You'll have to tune in. Check your local listings for times. It'll be wonderful. And what was the thing they used to... Oh yeah, join me, won't you? Won't you? Won't you? They got a new thing on Freevee that my wife and I have been watching. They've got a channel that's just British game shows. Kind of weird. I don't know. It's not horrible. I know there's better game shows than that, but... better ones from Britain, that is. This almost looks like the right amount of natural light and not too much sun, but... oh, and here it comes. Yep. It's just going to be one of those days. But yeah, there's our kind of beef-ish, tripe-ish, kind of fatty, organy, kind of... yeah. Our rotating friend. friendly rotations. Yeah. Alright, well thank you for watching. If you were wondering who our special guest is going to be on the next episode, look no further. This is A1 abalone noodle, and it comes with a baby abalone. Yeah, it do. And I've had the non-export version before, and it was really quite good. So I remember when I first saw the abalone, I was like, oh my god, that thing looks weird. I'd never just had an abalone before, but not bad. Kind of chewy, kind of chicken-like. Looks weird, though. Really weird. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.